Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to do a simple walkthrough on how to install ZipSener on your domain name. Now some people install it right on the root. I just basically put a folder right on the domain that I purchased, because I might want to use the domain for something else. I'm just using this for sending email out. So it'll be whatever your domain name is / ZipSener or Mailer or Bob or Susie, whatever you could call it, whatever you want. And just to show you how I do it, if I'm going to do it, remember, we're going to install it on the domain name, not on the root, but on the domain name, using the FTP client. So we're just going to upload it from using File Manager. And to do that, basically, hopefully if you already got a domain name and you downloaded ZipSener to your desktop, and I'm just going to extract it to itself. Extract to ZipSener. Okay. Now, as you see, the folder's right here. For some reason, they always put a folder inside a folder. So right now, I'm just going to rename this folder. And I'm going to name it ZipSener. I'm going to leave it ZipSener just like that. And put an X on it. Call it ZipSener X. Don't ask me why I do that. You'll see in a second. So now, because I don't need this anymore, and also I'm not going to need other stuff. So what I'm going to do is take this ZipSener out, right? And now I'm going to drag this in there. It'll be easy for me to throw it away or save it in another file. That's the ZipSener X stuff. And now I'm done with that, because I'm only concerned with this file right here. And as I click inside there, that's the file that we're looking for, the index.php. That has the script and everything you need. So that's all we have to do now, is just get this file and upload it to the domain name. Now this is the key. I don't want it to be called ZipSener. I can name it whatever I want. In this case, for this, I can name it Bob, Susie, Alice, whatever I want. This particular thing, I'm just going to name it Mailer. So I rename this file to Mailer. So now, whatever domain I put it on, that's going to be my domain, my mailer. So it'll be, in your case, it will be your domain name / mailer. And that's where your ZipSener would be. Some people might have your domain name / ZipSener, and that's all right too. But again, you can name it any way you want. I like to name it Mailer, and I'm just going to choose a random file domain that I already have. And now I got to do is log in and upload it using File Manager. The next one is going to show you how to do it using the FTP client. But for now, here we go. So now I just log into my hosting account. cPanel, it's already there, and I just put my username and password. And as I come in, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File Manager, and I just happen to be in HostGator because it seems to work for me. I'm going to go to the File Manager. It's going to ask me where I want to go. In this case, I'm going to not go to the root. I'm going to go to actual getreport.net, because that's the domain that I'm going to use. So I got a lot of different domains I could put it on. They just go off for days, but I'm going to use it right now for purposes of illustration. Whatever your domain name is, that's the one that you would go to. Okay, so that's the domain I'm using, getreport.net, and I'm going to install it right on there. So I'm just going to say go. And here we are. Now, the thing is, what I want to do is, now that I'm in public HTML getreport.net, I want to create a folder inside there. And I'm going to call that folder Mailer, because I just like to keep things simple. Okay. Now, and you notice it says create new folder. I'm just going to create the new folder. Oh, it was an error, but it's there. As you can see, inside the get report directory, there's a directory here called Mailer. Now what I want to do is go to the desktop, as you can see right inside here, and extract that PHP script file and put it inside Mailer. So that's pretty easy to do. All I do is just click on Mailer, and you can see it's empty. So I'm going to go right here to upload it. Right? And now I'm going to choose that file. I'm going to find it right here on the computer. And it's actually on the desktop. And I'm going to go inside Mailer, and there's the file right there. And it does it pretty quick. As you can see, it's a very lightweight program, only 19.24 kilobytes. And it's already clicked. It's already done. I can go back to it. I can see that it's right there. And now all I have to do basically is just open up another window just to see that it's there. and I just type in that path, which is getreport.net. Yeah, excuse me, I'm typing with one finger. Turn it off. And now just put in mailer. And now I just click return. And there you have it. And just to show you that it works, I'm just going to choose a file from the desktop. And I'm going to go to desktop and go to my leads batch. And let's say clean Google leads. And I'm not going to put any titles. I'm just going to load it. And there you have it. Well, you see how easy that is. And we'll get into the mechanics on how to edit, send, and all that other good stuff. But that's in the other tutorials that you'll find elsewhere on the site. Well, hope this video has been of value to you. This is Charles Peter sign off. And see you on the next video. Bye-bye for now.